stop bead here is to set the depth, so you can either move it up if you want to fish deeper, or move it down if you want to fish shallower. Because it's low tide at the minute, I'm just going to try fishing quite shallow, see if I can get anything like that, and then as the tide comes in, I'll just move that up and down. So I'm not doing anything drastic here, I'm just doing short flicks. Help if I wasn't wrapped. So all I'm going to do with this, because the tide's coming in, I'm going to flick it up over, little flick like that. That's all you need. So as you can see here, I'm using quite a long rod. I'm just using a little fixed spool spinning reel. I've got 30-pound mono on here, and my hook snood is 6-pound fluorocarbon. I've also brought some crab's legs with this, so I'm just going to peel a couple. Start with the back, take the front off, and just pull it through, and that goes on your hook. Nice little juicy claw there as well. I'm just going to add a couple of crab legs on, just add a little bit extra attractant, so sweep it on like that. As you can see there, the worm's still alive. Looks like it's been a bit off the bottom there. So there we go, a couple of little crab's legs and a little bit of ragworm. Just let that float around in the tide. Sometimes it can be a good idea to change the hook, because the ones that come with these floats, some of them aren't very sharp. So I'm just going to quickly pop my new hook on. Hopefully that'll help with the hook hooks. These are just size 1 hooks. I just feel like they're a little bit sharper than the other ones. Just cut the tag end off. Just gonna pop a new worm on. I'm just gonna nip it through the head like that. Let that wriggle about. Oh, look at this beauty. that was caught using my float there.